Hi, my name is Lương Thị Kim Ngân, and my major is English translation and interpretation. And today I'm gonna make a video about global citizen. So, what is global citizen? It may mean different things to different people. Many people may think that you have to travel to a new country every month or fight for social justice to define yourself as a global citizen. It could start with something as simple as researching a new country or making friends with an immigrant neighbor. It could end with traveling abroad and contributing to community efforts to advance education, health, or environmental conservation. The most common global citizenship definition is the idea that all people have civic responsibilities to the world as a whole rather than just their local communities or countries. So, by expanding one's personal horizons through global learning, you are able to affect change in a more meaningful sense on both a small and larger scale. Being a global citizen simply means having a willingness to do this with people from different nations and cultural backgrounds. Global Global citizenships help young people to build their own understanding of the world events, think about their values and what's important to them. It's it helps them learn to take learning into the real world, challenge ignorance and tolerance, and get involved in their local, national, and global communities, develop an argument and voice their opinions, and finally helps them see that they have power to act and influence the world around them. Above all, it shows young people that they have a voice. The world may be changing fast, but they can make a positive difference and help build a fairer, safer, and more secure world for everyone. To become a global citizen, you have to be creative, flexible, dedicated, and proactive. Global citizens get involved as members of the international community and are committed to building on this community in a meaningful and positive way. This means that aspiring global citizens need to develop skills related to problem solving, decision making, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. So then, how does one become a global citizen or improve their global citizenship skills? What do you have to do in order to get this kind of global education and world mindset? When people make the decision to become global citizens, they have already made a step in the in the right direction towards expanding their global awareness. Here are some skills that one may need to equip themselves to become a global citizen. The first one is the adaptability. Adaptability is a skill refers to the ability of a person to change his actions, course, or approach to doing things in order to suit a new situation. Adaptability is not just about changing something or adjusting to a situation. It encompasses being able to effect changes in a course of action with smoothness and timeliness without any major setbacks. So this skill is important for those to become global citizens. The second one is the creativity. Creativity is the ability to think about a task or a problem in a new or different way, or the ability to use the imagination to generate new ideas. Creativity enables you to solve complex problems or find interesting ways to approach tasks. If you are creative, you look at things from a unique perspective. You can find patterns and make connections to find opportunities. There is some risk involved with being creative, but you can show you are self-motivated to try things that haven't been done before. The third one is productivity. Productivity skills allows you to become less stressed, more effective, and thus a more successful individual. And the last one is problem solving skill. We all spend a lot of our time solving problems, both at work and in our personal lives. Problems are an inescapable part of life, both in and out of work. So we can all benefit from having strong problem solving skills. It's important to understand your current approach to problem solving and to know where and how to improve. Some problems are small and we can quickly sort them out ourselves, but others are complex challenges that take collaboration, creativity, and a considerable amount of effort to solve. But whatever issues we face, there are some common ways to tackle them effectively, and we can all boost our confidence and ability to succeed by building a strong set of problem-solving skills. And here and here are some steps that you need to take to become a global citizen. The first step is to learn about your own self. Being a part of any community involves giving and receiving. As you learn about the world, you should see some mindsets change, and you may discover new interests and causes to explore. Are you passionate about social or political involvement? Do you wish you could alleviate climate change? Do you have the skills to teach English online or help on an organic farm? Knowing what you care about and what you want to offer to the world will help you develop your own global citizenship. You will quickly find that you have something to offer and the potential to make a positive impact. The second step is to travel. One of the best ways to grow your global citizenship and become a citizen of the world is, naturally, to get out and go see it. Traveling to other countries can provide you with invaluable experience and education through interacting with other cultures. Sustainable life lessons are often born of these kinds of travel experiences, allowing you to learn about topics like global health, interdependence, diversity, social justice, and more through your life experiences while abroad. The third step is to become a leader. Many people point to the current crisis of leadership as evidence that we need to be doing more to create a generation of leaders who can solve our shared global challenges. Leaders with more diverse life experiences, a global perspective, and greater empathy are desperately needed if we're going to address issues like climate change, global health, and inequality. By working on cultivating your personal leadership skills, you may be able to contribute more to building a more sustainable, inclusive future. Developing your leadership skills can help you become the most impactful global citizen you can be and empower you to make a difference for the communities and issues you care about. And the last step is to become a volunteer. Participate in organizations working to build world community. There are all sorts of organizations making important contributions to our emerging world community. They are called NGOs or non-government organizations, global action networks, international professional associations, transactional corporations, and many others. They work on a on a range of issues related to the values of our world community, ranging from human rights to world acts and culture. Pick one, anyone that relates to an issue in which you are interested, and get involved. So that's all about that's that's all about my perspective and my opinions be- about the topic of becoming a global citizen. So thank you for your listening and wish you have a nice day.